How do I unblock someone on Facebook?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to walk through the process of unblocking someone on Facebook. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, and we'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started.
What is blocking on Facebook?
First, let's talk briefly about what it means to block someone on Facebook. When you block someone, they can't see the things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. In essence, it's a way to sever all social interaction with someone on Facebook.
How to unblock someone on Facebook?
Now, let's move on to the main topic, how to unblock someone. 1. Log into your Facebook account. You can do this either on your desktop or on your mobile device. 2. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Click on the small triangle in the top right corner of your Facebook homepage and then click on Settings and Privacy. 3. Go to Blocking. From the settings, you should see a tab or a section called Blocking. Click on it. 4. Unblock the person. Here, you'll see a list of all the people you've blocked. Next to each person's name, there should be a button that says Unblock. Find the person you want to unblock and click this button. A confirmation window will appear. 5. Confirm the decision. Click Confirm in the confirmation window. Remember, unblocking someone will allow them to see your timeline and contact you, so be sure you're ready to unblock them. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Facebook.
What happens after unblocking someone on Facebook?
After you unblock someone, you won't automatically be friends again. If you want to become friends with this person again, you'll need to send them a new friend request. They'll also be able to contact you and see any future posts you make. Keep in mind that you can't block someone again within 48 hours after you've unblocked them, so be sure about your decision. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful and you now know how to unblock someone on Facebook. If you have any more questions about Facebook settings or features, don't hesitate to ask. Stay safe online.